A DGL file contains roof drainage and gutter layout diagrams, technical building design data mapping out how water flows off a structure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or export these building drainage design files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest DGL cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. DGL files are diagram files for roof drainage and gutter lap design. Software used in building construction planning, they contain roof layout drawings, gutter positions, downpipe placements, and water flow calculations for designing effective building drainage systems. DGL files use a proprietary format storing roof plane geometry, gutter run paths, downpipe positions, rainfall calculation zones, and material specifications. They include measurements, annotations, and building code compliance data for drainage system design. The ideal software for creation and opening of DGL is DeskTop Gutta Lap from Gutta. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows may give a quick look, but proper work must be done in dedicated design applications. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your DGL file and choose Open With. If you have DeskTop Gutta Lap, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your DGL file is generating this error. First, opening the file. Install the DeskTop Gutta Lap design software and open the DGL file via File then Open. The application will display the roof drainage diagram with all gutter runs, downpipe positions, and water flow calculations for review and modification. Next, exporting for construction. Use the software's export feature to generate PDF construction drawings from the DGL file. Export dimension plans showing gutter positions, downpipe locations, and material specifications for use by roofing contractors during building construction. Finally, printing diagrams. Navigate to File, then Print in the design software to produce scaled hard copy drawings of the drainage layout. Configure the print scale to match construction drawing standards and include material schedules and installation notes for field reference. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.